Welcome back to Sunday Funday, where we review our Fidelity Health Savings Account spreadsheet. In today's video, we're going to review our deposits, our purchases, and our dividends received. If you remember from our previous video, we fully funded our health savings account on 1/14/21. We used a little trick that is probably not known to most people. The facility I work at, we can only carry over 40 PHOs, so if you have to cash your PHOs out, you can have your payroll people take and deposit the whole PHO cash out into your health savings account and you won't pay any taxes on it. Or another trick is, if you know you're going to have a bunch of overtime one week, figure out how much your overtime is and have your payroll department deposit the full overtime amount into your health savings account, and you won't pay any tax on that. You'll get the full overtime amount. As far as our purchases for the month of April, we added about 10.5 shares of QYLD. If you remember last month, we decided to install the money printer that is QYLD to be able to purchase shares every month due to QYLD paying monthly dividends. Currently we are down. We decided to add the money printer at the wrong time, and the price of it went on sale after we bought it. So far since we've installed that, we've received $77.62. So the next payment will basically make us a net positive, as we're only down 0.25% due to the dividends received. As far as the dividends received in the month of April, we'd received $1.60 from Leggett & Platt, $7.84 from Franklin Resources, and $29.67 from QYLD. Basically, our money printer plans is to take all the dividends that we receive and buy QYLD for the year, and then the month where VOO goes on ex-dividend, which would be in June, would be the next ex-dividend date. We will take all of the dividends from QYLD and buy VOO. So we're basically going to take all of these dividends and this dividend and buy QYLD, and then 2 months, and then on the third month we're going to buy VOO with all the dividends we get from here. So we'll basically be able to buy, like next month we would be able to buy $30.15 worth of QYLD. And then hopefully we'll be taking the stocks that pay a smaller dividend yield and generating more dividends with those dividends, and then we're going to put it into VOO because that gets the highest consistent total return. And then when we buy VOO with the dividends from QYLD, that'll make all of our dividends go into the highest total return fund. And then we'll be able to take the dividends from QYLD and put it into VOO and hopefully get the highest total the most consistent return for our money. And ideally, we would like to eventually be able to pay our healthcare premiums with just the dividends from QYLD. So that's why we're adding to that fund with all of these funds. And then hopefully VOO will be able to pay for our healthcare costs. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, this is Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull dividend portfolio, our M1 Roth IRA portfolio, our Fidelity Health Savings Account, and our M1 Growth portfolio. As you can see here, we have got a spreadsheet with all of our accounts that we're keeping track of on Sunday Funday. And you can see that we've got more than 3/4 of our funds inside of tax-advantaged accounts. So that's the one thing you want to make sure you're taking advantage of, is taking advantage of the IRAs and the health savings accounts due to their tax advantages. Currently, if you'd like to start an account with M1 Finance, they are currently giving away $30. There's a link in the description below where you can get $30 by depositing $100 into a traditional brokerage account, and then we also will get $30 for you signing up. Thanks for watching.